What's up, guys? Just wanted to hop on here and do another trading recap. Not feeling super great today. Feeling pretty anxious. I did lose about 80 bucks. Came back from it for a little small $200 profit today. We're about $700 away from passing my first combine. Um, To be honest, I read the charts fairly well today. I had a couple missed trades that I just want to talk about real quick if I can kind of find them here. Uh-oh. Grab my little line there. So just feeling pretty dang anxious today. So wasn't able to like actually pull the trigger on some really good opportunities. So this was the first one that I saw right here. Obviously this is kind of like a small head and shoulders. I am really starting to like this pattern as I'm seeing it more. My big winning day that I had the other day when I made 1600, that was a head and shoulders pattern, I believe, if I'm remembering correctly. But was thinking about an entry right here, just on the right shoulder. This is a little bit of an aggressive entry here. So I'm not really great at like statistics and stuff like that. So when it did rocket to the downside here, I just got scared. Didn't enter in. Obviously, if I would have entered in, that would have taken a while to work out, and I personally am not super comfortable like holding trades for a long time. So far, my statistics are that my best trades are under 2 minutes, and I really like that. I like that because it's a level where I feel like I'm not as exposed to volatility here. So, but I'm work what I think I need to work on is just hanging on. This combine account is a little too precious to me. I'm not like willing to lose it, which is kind of frustrating. So, and I also have a hard time like uh, taking smaller size. I just I feel like I feel like it's not worth it to take smaller size at this point in my journey, because I feel like the risk to reward at this point is just skewed. So I got these two counteracting ideas happening where first thing is I'm having a hard time pulling the trigger, and the second thing is I'm having a hard time like taking smaller size on these trades like when I'm very confident in them, because I want to maximize the rewards I get on the on the back end here. So definitely something that I need to work on, because there are days like today where I'm reading the market like decently. I'm reading the market decently. I'll just show you in my practice account here. Went up 4 grand today, so I burned a little mental energy just taking trades in the practice account. And I can't take the same leverage in this account that I would take in my combine. So the first one was a $3,000 profit to in a short. Actually blew one practice account this morning, so just for full transparency, I did blow the practice account. I just let it go. So obviously you can just do the free resets with Top Step, which I love. I love doing that. The only bummer is you lose all of your data, but I feel like I have enough consistent data within my Combine account now to where I can reasonably say, like, you know, I can kind of identify what's working for me. This is another big issue right here too. I'm kind of riding this edge as far as my best day of total profit, my best day. I think it'll show down here. Yeah, so $1,600 best day. So I think that means that I'm gonna have to make a little bit over the profit target in this account in order to pass it. Um, if y'all know better than me, you know, comment, let me know, school me. Um, but we're making steady gains. My goal is just to not be red right now, and I know that's kind of a lofty goal for somebody that's just starting out. But you know, I'm probably gonna be done trading for the day. I gotta take off to work here. I did wake up super early today, so that might have played a part in, you know, my anxiety today. Um, so like I said, majority of my trades are okay, so this is a little bit different. So this must have just changed today. So we're holding trades slightly longer, um, but still the majority of my trades are under 1 minute. So definitely just trying to scalp, limit my exposure to the market while I'm learning, see profit, try and take profit. But you know, I've been super conflicted today, super conflicted. So having a hard time sticking to what's working for me. I think still trying to like push the boundaries of what it is that I'm learning. So we're seeing a little bit of a breakout now from uh, whatever they call it, the initial balance high. I was watching Top Step TV. They put the initial balance high down here at 21,718.25. So just because I'm feeling super underconfident today, I participated in. I felt good about the short that they took. They shorted from like 1650 down to here. I got in late, uh, just one contract, and made a couple $100. So we're green for the day. So thank God. The other short that I missed is this one right here. So I don't even remember what it was I was seeing. Oh, so I was kind of seeing like a small bear flag pattern here. Kind of have an aggressive spike right here, and then it's just kind of trending, making lower lows and higher highs. So we got this kind of, I don't know what you would call this, false bear flag here, and then you have, and then that's what I was seeing right here, and obviously I was kind of listening to the Top Step, and they were saying they were seeing a bear flag pattern on the longer time frame. So I'm liking this two chart setup also as well, because I'm constantly trying to flip between the longer time frames and the shorter time frames. So this has been, I've been really liking this. So I was not seeing the bull flag, so I was not liking that trade. I was not liking a trade to the long side, just given this movement right here. I was not liking that. So I don't know. You know, you guys have to kind of discover these patterns for yourself. But what I was seeing is like 3 consecutive highs. So we have 1, 2, and then 3. And then at that third high right there, it just collapsed. So, and then we have this trend line that I drew in right here. These little short green lines here were what I was thinking would be like this one up here would be my risk. This one down here would be a profit target. This one down here would be another profit target. And I was just seeing those based on the immediate price action where price was kind of like slowing down. So right here at 46, I was noticing that you can kind of see it in here. Like there's a little bit of support right here. Obviously it broke through it, but when price moves through those, you tend to see the price action slow down a little bit. So this green line was going to be my risk. This was going to be my reward. These two right here, and then this was going to be my entry. Again, kind of a risky entry just with how aggressively the Nasdaq moved. This could just as easily have been a continuation. Like I said, I'm not following like the statistics on these patterns. I'm mainly just trying to like trust my gut, and that is obviously an issue. Like for staying disciplined and just participating in a system, right? So missed that one. Finally, just decided to participate in the short trade that the Top Step guys were taking. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not always super confident, like in the trades that they take. Um, but when there's a good consensus, when there's kind of like positive feedback on like, yeah, I kind of see the same thing. They had like 3 or 4 guys on today. I guess it's called Power Hour or whatever. Uh, around 2 p.m. here. I'm like, okay, well, let's see. But to be completely fair, you know, if I think they entered in like right around here, and so the dude got filled at like 1650. If I would have gotten filled there, that would have been really bad. It would have been really bad for me because we have a what is that? Like a 20-point spike. So even if, and I was thinking about taking 5 contracts. Thank God I didn't. That would have just blown the account. That would have blown my account. Obviously, wouldn't have been wrong, ultimately, but I just don't have that sort of risk tolerance. Max loss limit since I've been profitable for a couple days. Um, Starts out in these combine accounts. Your max loss is 48,000 on the $50,000 account. um, Came back from $1,000 loss, and we're just kind of slowly making our way to passing. Um, just kind of learning to be patient and identify good good trades to be taking. Gotta work on my sleep schedule though. I'm on the West Coast, so gotta wake up at 5:30 for the market open. I got up at 6 today. But overall for the day, like really great price action. Just wasn't able to pull the trigger. I needed a little assist from the mommies and daddies at Top Step to give me the little push that I needed to finally take a profitable trade. So, but this is what I love about trading. It's not. I don't see it as me versus the market. I see it as me versus me. So, learning about myself and the process. In my last video, I talked through some of the psychology about like just like the majority of this stuff is just resisting the fight or flight response that your body goes through when we're talking about money on the line. Obviously, this isn't real money yet, but we'd all like a little extra cash in our pockets. That's why people jump into trading. Um, so I'm doing my best not to be attached to the potential outcomes here. But yeah, green day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.